100 Daily English Conversations. Topic: Introducing yourself.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have two siblings.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Topic: Work and study.
What is your job?
I'm a doctor.
Where do you work?
I work at City Hospital.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Are you a student?
No, I'm not.
What are you studying?
I'm studying engineering.
Where do you study?
I study at Harvard University.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have a part-time job?
No, I don't.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 2 years.
Do you work full-time or part-time?
I work full-time.
Topic: Time and schedule.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What's the date today?
Today is October 5th.
What day is it today?
It's Wednesday.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I usually go hiking.
What's your plan for tomorrow?
I plan to visit my friends.
When do you go to work/school?
I go to work at 8 o'clock.
When do you finish work/school?
I finish at 5 o'clock.
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Yes, I'm going to a movie.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Topic: Daily life.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you cook?
Yes, I do.
What time do you usually eat dinner?
I usually eat dinner at 7 o'clock.
Do you have a morning routine?
Yes, I meditate every morning.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once a week.
Topic: Hobbies and entertainment.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to read books.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I do.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Can you play any instruments?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like watching sports?
Yes, I do.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
Topic: social communication.
Do you like to go out with friends?
Yes, I do.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Emily.
How often do you meet your friends?
I meet them once a week.
Do you like to party?
Yes, I do.
Are you a social person?
Yes, I am.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I do.
You usually hang out.
I usually hang out at the coffee shop.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm a night owl.
Do you enjoy being alone?
Yes, I do.
Topic: travel.
Have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have.
Where have you traveled to?
I've been to Japan.
What's your dream destination?
My dream destination is Paris.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I prefer beaches.
Do you like flying?
No, I don't.
Do you enjoy road trips?
Yes, I love them.
Do you travel often?
No, not often.
Where did you last go on vacation?
I went to Hawaii.
What do you like to do on vacation?
I like to relax and explore.
Do you prefer solo travel or group travel?
I prefer group travel.
Topic: emotions and moods. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with family makes me happy.
What's your biggest fear?
My biggest fear is heights.
What are you excited about?
I'm excited about my upcoming trip.
Are you nervous?
Yes, a little.
Do you get angry easily?
No, I don't.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I meditate when I'm stressed.
What do you do when you're sad?
I usually go for a walk.
Are you a positive person?
Yes, I think so.
Topic: Home and family.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have children?
No, I don't.
Are your parents still alive?
Yes, they are.
Do you have a big family?
Yes, it's quite big.
Topic: Technology and other hobbies.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I use Instagram and Facebook.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is YouTube.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, I shop online often.
What kind of phone do you have?
I have an iPhone 13.
How often do you use your phone?
I use my phone every day.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
What's your favorite website?
My favorite website is Amazon.
Watch YouTube videos.
Yes, I watch them every evening.
What's your favorite game?
My favorite game is Minecraft.
Do you prefer watching movies or TV shows?
I prefer watching movies.
Do you like learning new skills online?
Yes, I'm learning graphic design.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery books.
Do you enjoy cooking at home?
Yes, I love trying new recipes.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.